Meaning of extermination.
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 Extermination. Extermination refers to the act of completely and intentionally destroying, eliminating, or eradicating a particular group of living beings or organisms. The result of such an action is typically the complete annihilation of the targeted group, leaving no survivors or trace of its existence. This term is often associated with the eradication of pests, and other unwanted organisms, but can also refer to the extermination of human populations during genocide or other atrocities. The consequences of extermination can be devastating, not only for the targeted group but also for the wider ecosystem, social fabric, and cultural heritage.